Good morning students. Today we are learn our 8th GK chapter of class 7, that is at the poles. Okay. In my previous lecture we learned our 7th chapter. So let's start students. Our question is, try this quiz on the earth's geographical poles. Okay. So let's start. North pole is substantially warmer than the south pole. It is true or false? True. So write here true. Next is, in children's fiction, which pole is described as Santa Claus workshop and residence? So North Pole. So write here students, North Pole. Next is, who was the first explorer to reach the South Pole? Roald Amundsen. So write here student, Roald Amundsen. Okay. Next is, in which hemisphere does Antarctica lies? So southern. So write here student, southern. Southern hemisphere does Antarctica lies. Okay. Which ocean lie in the North Pole? Arctic Ocean. So write here Arctic. Arctic Ocean lies in the North Pole. Okay. So next is, near which pole is Greenland, the world's largest island, situated? The answer is North Pole. So write here North Pole. Okay. What type of research facilities have been built in the Arctic Ocean by Russia? So answer is drifting ice station. So write here drifting ice station is the type of research facilities have been built in the Arctic Ocean by Russia. Okay. Next is, which migratory bird make an Arctic-Antarctic round trip migration every year? So the answer is Arctic tern. So Arctic tern migrates birds make an Arctic-Antarctic round trip migration every year. Okay. So answer is Arctic tern. So write here Arctic tern. In Antarctica, extreme cold causes injury to body tissue affecting the nose, fingers and toes. This condition is called frostbite. So write here student, frostbite. The biggest glacier in the world is the Lambert Glacier in Antarctica. So write here Lambert Glacier. Okay. The highest mountain peak in Antarctica is Mount Vasian. Mount Vasian is the highest mountain peak in Antarctica. Okay. Next is, the indigenous peoples of the Arctic regions are called as the Inuits. So write here Inuits. Next is, the submarine which proved that the North Pole was an enormous ice sheet on water is the USS Nautilus. Okay. So answer is USS Nautilus. Next is, the treaty signed by 12th centuries which made Antarctica demilitarized zones, allowing peaceful research activities in the Antarctic Treaty. So write here Antarctic Treaty. Okay. And last, the most common resident bird in Antarctica is the penguin. Okay. So write here penguin. Understand, students? So in your homework, write this question for one time in your book and notebook also. Okay.